Ever wondered how a simple glue gun can transform your everyday life? In this video, we'll show you my favorite hot glue hacks that will save you time, money, and maybe even solve problems you didn't know you had. Get your glue gun ready, and let's dive into these amazing ideas and tricks. Tired of pliers leaving marks on delicate surfaces? Apply hot glue to the inner ribbed surface of the tool. Wait for it to completely dry. Soft pads will protect any material from damage. Fill a plastic cap with hot glue to the top. Place a small magnet in the center. Wait for it to fully dry. A stylish magnet for notes and reminders will decorate your fridge. Got a glue stick that's too short? Take a pencil and wrap tape around it until it matches the thickness of a standard stick. Insert this pencil into the back of the gun. Now it will push the short stick forward, allowing you to use the glue to the last drop. Glue gun broken? Let's make a temporary replacement. Take an empty aluminum can, remove the top and bottom. Roll the metal into a cone, put a nut on the narrow end. Make cuts on the wide part of the cone. Attach the construction to the soldering iron using a binder clip and wire. Insert the glue stick into the cone. The melted glue will come out through the hole in the cone. Apply hot glue dots on a rubber glove, evenly distributing them across the palm surface. Wait for complete hardening. Pet your furry friend with this glove. It will effectively collect fallen fur and provide a pleasant massage. Take a plastic cap and attach a binder clip to it. Use it as a stand for your glue gun to keep your workspace clean. If you don't have electrical tape handy, apply hot glue to the damaged part of the cable. This DIY insulation will reliably protect the wires from shorting and extend the cable's life. Tired of a sliding carpet? Turn it upside down and apply strips of hot glue across the entire surface. After complete drying, the carpet will no longer slide on the floor. Cover the drain hole with foil or plastic wrap. Pour in hot glue and insert a ring on top for convenience. After complete hardening, you'll have a sturdy plug that perfectly fits your drain hole. Take a metal bottle cap. Place a matching bolt in it. Fill with hot glue to the cap's edges. Once hardened, you have a new fixing handle. A strong and reliable replacement for the original part. Apply a drop of hot glue to each match just below the sulfur head. Wait for it to harden. When you need a small drop of glue, just light the match, the flame will melt the glue. Perfect solution for minor repairs. Take a regular syringe, remove the plunger. Fill the syringe with hot glue and insert the metal part of a screwdriver. After the glue hardens, you'll have a new comfortable screwdriver handle. No glue gun available? Hold the glue stick to a lighter flame while keeping it above the bonding spot. The melted glue drop will land exactly where needed. Here are more ways to push a short glue stick. Pour glitter on paper, squeeze hot glue in a circular shape on top, sprinkle more glitter over it. Make 2 holes and the button is ready. Worried about webcam surveillance? Slightly bend a paper clip and apply glue as shown in the video. Secure the clip above the laptop camera. The matte surface of the hardened glue will reliably cover the lens. Glass unstable on the table? Apply several drops of hot glue to the bottom. After hardening, you'll get reliable non-slip feet. Slippery slippers? Apply several strips of hot glue to the sole. After the glue hardens, your house shoes will become safe and non-slip. Hot glue stuck to the table? Apply some WD-40, wait a few seconds, and the glue will easily come off the surface. You can use the same method to separate parts bonded with hot glue. Tired of loud drawer slamming? Apply hot glue to the inner edges. After hardening, you'll get soft dampers, and the drawer will close quietly and smoothly. Shoelace tip unraveling? Apply hot glue to the tip and shape a neat eyelet. After hardening, the lace will easily thread through the eyelets. Form a large drop of hot glue on paper. After it hardens, paint it with nail polish. Place the drop on your phone screen. Put the nail polish bottle nearby. A realistic prank that will surely make your friend panic. Eraser worn out on your pencil? Apply hot glue to the pencil top. After hardening, you'll get an excellent rubber replacement that easily handles erasing pencil lines. Grease the bottle neck with petroleum jelly, carefully apply hot glue around it, then in the center. After hardening, you'll have a cork that perfectly matches your bottle's neck shape. Fill a cap with hot glue, insert 5 to 6 sticks with sharp ends inward. After hardening, spread the sticks apart. A convenient massager is ready to help relieve tension and relax. Remove the bottom of a tin can. Make a hole in the center. Insert a bamboo stick with a sharp end and secure it with hot glue. A fun spinner is ready that will keep your cat entertained for hours.